What is life? Life is like running a race. Life is like a school curriculum. In life, as we sow, we shall reap. Life is like a battlefield. Life is when we do something good to someone to make them happy. Life is not about being perfect, but it's all about making ourselves happy. Life is not about competing with others, but it is about finding oneself. Life is like walking a journey on earth where we have to face and experience both sadness and happiness. Life is helping others who's in need of help. Life is to change someone from bad to good. In life, the more we build ourselves, the more we will grow. The beauty of life is when we do something that touches other people's heart, and that can change their life as well.